In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in Mozilla Thunderbird. First, let's get started by opening Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. You will see the familiar interface with your email accounts listed on the left side. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the actions you will perform. Once you have the application open, you are ready to manage your emails efficiently. Now, to delete a single email, click on the message you want to remove. The email will be highlighted, indicating it is selected. After selecting the email, you have two options to delete it. You can either press the delete key on your keyboard or click the delete button, which looks like a trash can in the toolbar. This action will move the message to the trash folder, effectively removing it from your inbox. This is important because it keeps your inbox organized and clutter-free. Next, if you need to delete multiple emails at once, the process is quite straightforward. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each individual message you want to select. This allows you to choose emails one by one. Alternatively, if you prefer to select a range of messages, hold the Shift key. Click on the first email, then click on the last email in the range you wish to delete. All messages in that range will be selected. After making your selections, simply press the Delete key to remove all of them at once. This method is a huge time saver when dealing with multiple emails. Now, let's move on to deleting all emails in a specific folder. First, open the folder containing the emails you want to delete. Once you have the folder open, press Ctrl and the letter A simultaneously on your keyboard. This command will select every message in that folder. With all emails selected, simply press the Delete key. This action will move all selected messages to the trash folder, clearing out the entire folder in one go. This is an efficient way to manage your emails, especially if you need to free up space quickly. If you want to permanently remove deleted emails and free up disk space, right-click on the folder from which you want to delete emails. In the context menu, select the option to compact. This action removes messages that were marked for deletion, ensuring they are no longer taking up space on your computer. Compacting your folders helps keep Thunderbird running smoothly and efficiently. You can also set up automatic deletion for old emails. To do this, right-click on the folder you want to manage and select Properties from the context menu. Next, open the Retention Policy tab. Here you can choose an option such as deleting messages that are more than a certain number of days old. Setting this up allows Thunderbird to manage your emails automatically, reducing your workload. This feature can be a great way to maintain organization without constant manual effort. Lastly, if you only want to empty the trash or junk folder, the process is simple. Right-click on the trash or junk folder and choose the option Empty Trash or Empty Junk from the menu. This will permanently remove all emails in those folders, ensuring your email system remains clean and organized. Regularly emptying these folders is essential for maintaining optimal performance in Thunderbird. With these steps, you now know how to effectively manage and delete emails in Mozilla Thunderbird. Happy emailing!